Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. Have you ever asked yourself, is there a way to change the order of these columns of the Agile board? In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you exactly how to control and how to build the order of your Agile columns. So for example, maybe you are a different kind of person and you would like the closed tickets to be at the beginning and the new tickets to be at the end. So yeah, different people, different behaviors. So let's go and see how it is going to happen. So we have to go to administration and then issue statuses, because the Agile column boards are the topics are actually the issue statuses of Redmine. So the issue statuses that are core Redmine feature. Alright, so now if you'd like to reorder them, you have to use the green arrows here. So when you hover the mouse over it, there is a pop-up word that is helping you to understand what is going on. So you are going to sort them. Okay, so we would like the new to be at the end. Okay, so yeah, the closed to be at the beginning, the rejected to be second, resolved to be third, in progress, and new last one. So this is it. There is no save button here, so they are automatically reordered now. So we close this window and we just refresh our Agile board. And ta-da! We see that the columns of our Agile board are now reversed. So the closed and the rejected are at the beginning on the left part of the Agile board, and on the right columns these are the new and in progress issues. So yeah, that's the way of changing the appearing of the order of Agile plugin columns. So I hope this video was good and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles of the Agile plugin. So thank you very much for watching this, and bye bye for now.